Hello. In this video, we will talk about accuracy, recall, precision, and specificity, these four scores in classification, and show how to calculate them in Python. So in the classification result, if we look at this figure, so this is called confusion matrix. Confusion matrix, which means in a binary classification problem, so we have shown the positive classes which is actual and which is predicted. So positive and negative, these two are true classification and these two are false classification. So this is called confusion matrix, and sometimes you can define which is positive or negative, for example 0, 1 or 1, 2 for the label. Then based on this table, we can calculate the accuracy. So accuracy, which means the total counts of true positive and true negative, then divided by the total counts for all observations. And recall is that how many positive classes are correctly identified. So we look at this row. This is true positive divided by true positive plus false negative. So because we have, for example, 10 positive cases, but only 8 of them are classified as positive and 2 of them are classified as negative. So this is the recall, which means 0.8, right? And precision, which means the correct positive predictions. So we have to look at this column, which means from all the positive prediction, how many of them are, what's the proportion of them are correct, right? So for positive prediction, for example, we have 10. Only 7 of them are true positive, but 3 of them are false positive because they are actually a negative. So this means the precision is about 0.7. And specificity is the true negative divided by the false positive plus true negative. So we look at this row for the negative, actual negative row. We find out the true positive proportion, a true negative proportion. Then we go to Python IDE to show how to calculate these scores. So we import pandas and import confusion matrix, accuracy score, and recall and precision score from sklearn.metrics. Then we create a data frame by including a dictionary for the y true is a list and y predict is also a list, and there the labels for 0 and 1. So this is a data frame with y true and with two variables, y true and y prediction. Then first we will create and print a confusion matrix using pandas cross tab for y true and y prediction. Then we set a row name for the actual and predicted. So this is the confusion matrix. So here 0 first and 1 second. And by default, sklearn will think the label 1 is for the positive, and the label 0 is negative. So if we just accept this by default, so it's okay. And next we can just use accuracy score, y true, y prediction. By default, the positive label is 1. So accuracy is 0.75. Accuracy, which means the total correct cases divided by the total prediction. So about 9 divided by 12 is 0.75. And recall Y prediction 0.8. So recall, which means the positive class, actual positive 1, but only 4 of them are correctly identified. So 4 of 5 is 0.8. And precision, so the precision is 0.666. Precision is for prediction for the column for the positive 1 class. 4 of them are correct and 2 not correct. So 4 divided by 6 is 0.666. And specificity, no direct score for specificity, but if we look at confusion matrix, it is just, if we take this is the positive, this is the positive row, then this is the, if we calculate the recall for this row, then it is the specificity, right? So specificity is just use the recall score, but we set the positive label is 0. Then we print 0.714. So if we look back, if you look at this row, if this is the, if we think this 0 is the positive class, so the true divided by the total. So 5 divided by 7 is 0.714, right? Thanks for watching.